Welcome ladies and gentlemen to the Newsflash with Condor Gold, Caledonia Mining and Maple Gold Mines. Condor Gold had good news and announced that it has been granted an environmental permit for the development and exploitation of gold from the high-grade Mestiza open pit. The Mestiza open pit hosts 92,000 tons with over 12 grams gold per ton, which gives 36,000 ounces contained gold in the indicated resource category and 341,000 tons at a grade of 7.7 grams gold per ton. This gives an additional 85,000 ounces contained gold in the inferred category. The Mestiza open pit complements the already permitted La India open pit, which hosts almost 8.4 million tons with 3.1 grams gold per ton and 837,000 ounces contained gold indicated and 883,000 tons at 2.4 grams gold per ton containing 68,000 inferred ounces gold. The La India open pit has a robust, economically viable pre-feasibility study, a PFS, with reserves at 3 grams for 675,000 ounces gold. Following the permitting of the Mestiza open pit, Condor has just over 1 million ounces gold open pit resources permitted for extraction. The permitted Mestiza open pit has a robust diluted tonnage of 600,000 tons at 5.76 grams gold per ton for over 111,000 ounces gold. This open pit adds flexibility to the mine schedule, potentially improving project economics and extending the life of mine. Those are very favorable numbers and shows the great economic potential of the Condor Gold project and future mine. Mark Child, Chairman and CEO, commented, "It's a significant development after a 15-month process that Condor has been granted the key environmental permit to develop and exploit gold from the high-grade Mestiza open pit. When added to the high-grade La India open pit, Condor has just over 1 million ounce gold open pit mineral resources, including reserves permitted for extraction. Condor also has the permit to construct and develop a processing plant with the capacity of up to 2,800 tons per day at the La India project," he said. Well done, Condor Gold, and we look forward to more good news and hopefully soon a possible mine financing. Caledonia Mining announced that its board of directors has declared a dividend of 7.5 United States cents per share, despite the company said on 1st April 2020 that they wanted to defer the dividend payment due to uncertainties through the COVID-19 pandemic. The board has been encouraged by the continuing operations of the Blanket mine and the reopening of important supply lines. Accordingly, the quarterly dividend has now been declared. Caledonia Mining has a strong balance sheet with current cash on hand of $14.1 million at 24th April 2020. This gave the directors sufficient confidence in the solvency of the business and its resilience in the current macroeconomic environment. The dividend will be paid on 29th May 2020. The Blanket mine's supply chain of consumables and spare parts improved substantially and is close to normal as well. They are now re-establishing full production, having operated at approximately 93% of capacity during the lockdown. This shows a solid business in Zimbabwe and the dividend is well appreciated. Maple Gold Mine summarized the recently completed drilling and exploration work at the company's Douay Gold project. A total of 13 drill holes and 1 drill hole extension were completed for a total of 4,370 meters. Assays remain outstanding for 12 drill holes. Maple is really active and the drilling looks good. On the NW zone, they did a single step-out drill hole to expand the NW zone pit-constrained resource area, which included testing the western continuity to the west of an adjacent historical intercept that cut higher than deposit average grades starting from only 41 meters downhole. The current pit-constrained resource at the NW zone is 2.6 million tons with over 1.14 grams gold per ton for 96,000 ounces gold. On the Nika zone cut Maple Gold's discovery hole in this area 50 meters at 1.77 grams gold per ton from 297 meters downhole in 2018. Limited follow-up drilling during 2019 intersected broad lower grade gold mineralization, and the Nika zone supported a new conceptual pit with 3.6 million tons at almost 1 gram gold per ton for 109,000 ounces gold in the company's latest resource estimate. One of the objectives for the company's 4 drill holes this winter at the Nika zone is to define the near-surface expression of the higher-grade 2018 discovery hole. The porphyry zone is 3 km by 1 km large and contains 136,000 indicated pit-constrained ounces and 1.378 million inferred pit-constrained ounces. There are multiple areas within this broad zone of mineralization where higher-grade mineralization exists. 5 of the 7 drill holes completed at the porphyry zone during the company's winter 2020 campaign were designed to test areas prospective for higher than zone average grades within the top 150 meters from surface. Matthew Honor, Maple Gold's president and CEO, commented, "We were fortunate to complete nearly 4,400 meters before local shutdowns took effect. We are also very fortunate during this pandemic and economic uncertainty in the markets to have a dedicated team willing to take less cash every month while working hard on multiple strategies with a commitment to build value and position the company for strong performance in the quarters ahead," he said. Good news, and we keep you posted. Thanks for watching us, and bye bye from Switzerland.